I have a Trane CleanEffects air filtration system. Recently, our AC unit went out and we had someone come out and he replaced some valve in the A-coil. Long story short, ever since he fixed the AC, our air filter has been blinking multiple lights we've never seen before. Recently, it is blinking 3 orange lights along with the pre-filter light blinking red. We've cleaned it and reset the system multiple times since. Any idea what is going on?
Do you know the model of your Trane AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
The AC unit is actually a Lennox. The air filtration system and furnace is Trane. The air filter is reusable/cleanable rather than replaceable.
How long has this been going on with your Trane air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Since the guy came and fixed the AC issue, probably a week now. We've cleaned and reset the air filtration system, but it still gives us the flashing error lights.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I don't think so.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hope you are doing well today. If it's blinking, it means it's time to clean the collection cells and change the pre-filter. I don't know which model you have, but here is the operator's manual. https://www.bayarea-service.com/wp-content/upload/2011/12/cleaneffects-owner's-manual.pdf. Let me know if you had other questions.
We've cleaned filters multiple times.
The cells too?
Yep. And the red pre-filter light is blinking, which that filter is spotless.
Try cycling the power. If it doesn't solve it, there's an internal issue with the air cleaner.
Like turning it off and on?
Yes.
Yeah, it went back to blinking yellow. The weirdest part is that it'll randomly go back to normal for a half hour and then go back to blinking yellow.
To me, that sounds like the cells may need cleaning.
Maybe I'll wash them off rather than vacuum. Clean the cells and it continues to bounce back and forth between the flashing orange lights and looking normal.
Unfortunately, that would suggest an internal issue with the air cleaner itself. The board may be bad, or it may just be shot and in need of replacement.
Sounds good. Thank you for the help.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.